Hey guys!
Hi y'all.
How y'all doing? Welcome back to our channel. Okay, so today we are having some barbecue ribs, some garlic mashed potatoes with butter and cheese, some grilled shrimp.
I'm having some barbecue ribs with some marinated chicken breast and a loaded baked potato, and they forgot my onion strings, my onion fries.
Yeah, they forgot his onion fries, but they remembered the bread. Okay, so this video is, and I have a Caesar salad that I have to put together. But this video was sponsored by half my sister, half my birthday, because I am a member of Landry's Club. So I get, for your birthday month, you get $25 for your birthday month. And I use a gift card from my sister, and then I used my birthday $25. So I only had to pay $1 and something, y'all. Let me see that.
I need it.
So I only paid $11 because I tipped the lady $10, and then the $1 and something that was from. I'm sorry, I put it on all of it. You know it. You could just rip it. It tastes good. But how's everybody doing? We have what? 6 more weeks till Mardi Gras. I'm going down and get me a king cake. Somebody gonna go down and get me a king cake. Hey, baby. Yeah.
What you have to cut it?
That's that good bread, that honey butter. You can eat it however you want to. But I hope everybody's having a good day. I don't know what today is, but I hope everybody's having a good day.
You don't know what today is?
Nope, because I don't know when this video going up.
Oh.
I want to thank everyone for subscribing to our channel. Hopefully by August, we make it to our 1,000. That'll be our year anniversary, because we started our channel in March, but our first video was posted on August the 8th. So fingers crossed, y'all.
August 8th thing.
Yeah.
I thought it was longer.
I created the channel right before we had went down Phoenicia braces. And then when we came back, that big thing was going around, and it was new to the world. Well, not new to the world, but you know, it had just started or whatever, bad or whatever. So we didn't upload anything until August the 8th. I just had, Daddy Ron had got me a camera to do my videos. Or I got me a camera. Did you get that camera from me?
I think you did.
I had my camera, and I hadn't recorded anything yet because I was too focused on everything else. But after everything got settled, we did our first video was that taco challenge by Steph and Tasha. The first time we did that video, y'all, no sound.
Again?
I'm trying to see. It's on. Okay, the first time we recorded that video, y'all, it was no sound. So we had to do it again. I lost both times. But it was fun.
And you did another video.
What?
That you didn't, you did one by yourself.
I did a couple of videos and forgot to turn the mic on.
Yeah, you said you was all into it. She used to be
I
scared to
was.
talk, yeah, to y'all. I don't know why. All she do is talk.
I can talk as long as all he do is listen, right, y'all? So let me keep it talking and let him keep it listening, and we're gonna keep this going. This is good. You want to say something?
I'll taste some already.
You want a shrimp? They good too. But
some salt and pepper.
they have salt and pepper in your cutlery pack.
I don't feel like going to all that.
Here. But I want to start doing. Aww.
Told you it's alright. Don't worry about it.
I got barbecue sauce on my shirt. Here. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't even know what I was saying when I saw that barbecue sauce on my shirt. But what I want to say, we're going to start doing some new little things on the channel. Just trying to, you know, get out there to more people. So we're going to try and open it up and do more things. We can't really do the prank things. I keep saying that I want to do pranks, but I'm going to get mad. So I don't know. Babe, how you think I do with a prank? I don't know, y'all. I don't think me and pranks are would do good. I don't think that if he do a prank on me and I really get mad, it's not going to be good.
We just won't upload it. We just won't upload it.
Right. So how's everybody doing? I know it's like my third time saying it, but y'all, I'm so hungry. I've been wanting ribs since Santina loved them ribs on her video, but I didn't want to cook them.
We eat ribs.
No. She just did that video. She did that video like maybe 4 or 5 days ago, where she cooked the ribs and ate them. And I was like, I want some ribs, but I didn't want to cook them. Daddy Ron had barbecue for me right before he left the last time. Cold as I don't know what. My baby out there barbecuing for me.
Everybody in this house like ribs.
Ribs and seafood. And steak. We just greedy. We like a lot of stuff.
I can eat steak every day.
I eat seafood every day.
It's not filling.
Fill me up.
Oh, couldn't get it open. My little drink, girl. Drinking on some Lipton green tea. Pretty good, I like it.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was trying to figure out what I was drinking on.
I'm drinking on agua.
And I didn't want nothing until I saw your tea. I like that bread. You like that bread?
No. My first weekend off in a long while. I was in all my time I had off for Christmas, but we usually don't get too many weekends. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I'll ride the wave.
We're gonna enjoy it while we get it.
Normally all they know is 7 days. for quiet on here.
Babe, I'm hungry.
Hungry.
I'm hungry. And it's something that I really like. It seemed like it took Nisha and them forever to make it back here. Yo, it's almost 9 o'clock. It's not 9 o'clock at night.
Like this.
And all I had today was, I had some breakfast. A little bit, not a lot.
She ain't need it.
I ate all my bacon. I ate all my bacon. I ate some of my grits. I didn't have enough cheese in my egg.
Y'all eat too much cheese.
I really thought when I was cooking it, I had put more in it, but I just was telling them, and I don't remember which video, but I just was telling them how we eat all the cheese and you don't like a lot of cheese.
No, I don't. They put cheese on everything.
Not everything.
Well, I'm gonna sit down and eat cheese out of the bag.
Okay, most young children eat cheese.
I used to eat sliced cheese like that, but I ain't never just ate cheese out the bag like that.
Okay, guys. So y'all saw us do the chocolate fondue, and y'all saw me do the cheese fondue.
You did?
Yeah, we did it. But by the time it's supposed to be gonna be done, did the chocolate one already.
Oh. I'm messing it all up, y'all.
Yeah.
You gotta know I ain't even with the program. I'm all around. So we did win.
But anyway, y'all. So we did the cheese fondue, and we did the chocolate fondue on our live. Okay. Well, we did the giveaway.
It was fun, huh, y'all?
I can't with this boring. But I want y'all to give us some ideas of some items that I can put in a fondue thing. I was thinking maybe some fried shrimp. I could dip in cheese. Baby, you ain't gotta do it with me. You ain't gotta make them faces either. I was thinking some fried shrimp I could do with cheese. Or, I don't know. Give me some ideas, y'all.
Fried shrimp and cheese?
Mm-hmm. You gotta think, I eat cheese just like that.
I don't think they put no sour cream on here either.
I don't look like it.
That's dry. Well, I'm hungry, so it's all good.
I like all my food. It's just that there's too much fat right here.
Yeah, mine like that too. When it's fat like that, you gotta cook it longer. Cook that fat away. Oh, you could clean it before you could trim it off before you grill it. Look like baby bags.
I don't know, but baby ain't eating no fat.
You know, I picked, see how I picked over mine, huh?
You want that?
You did the same thing I did at the top. Oh, I thought that fell on your shirt.
So give us some ideas, y'all, of different things that we can do to get more people watching.
Pranks.
Prank? I really don't think that's a good idea, baby.
After you prank me, I'm gonna blow it. It'll be a rated R. YouTube day that day. Both of us.
No, you don't. You don't really get. I overreact. I get mad, especially when I can't have my way. I get mad. Like, so I don't know. Unless you prank me in a way to where you have to do like we have to do our prank scripted. I gotta know.
Then you ain't gonna act right.
I'm gonna act right for the camera. I don't think that's a good idea for us to do pranks. That bone broke off in my mouth and I was trying to get it out.
I ate too much of that bread.
But other than pranks, I really don't think that'd be a good idea, baby.
I think we should start doing some cooking.
That's hard.
Not really.
When you're not here, it's hard because for me to set the camera up and try to that's hard. Now what I can do is, since we have more than one camera, I can have one camera recording in one section of the, like one camera by the where I'm cutting the food, and then another camera by the pot, and we can just put that too much work now, man.
I should have did it when I did my ribs.
Huh?
I should have done it when I done my ribs. Yeah.
Oh, but you did that outside on the grill.
Doesn't matter. I would have just did it. You could do it like it's outside.
Baby, it was cold.
I didn't stay out that long. I was hitting and missing. Set that grill, you get that temperature right on that grill, you ain't gotta watch it. And then it's real. I mean, cooking them raw like that, they kind of hard to go wrong.
I done had people that cook ribs and it was wrong.
I don't eat the wrong kind.
I done had, you know how your ribs just come off the bone when you put it on the grill? I done had people that put cooked ribs on the grill and it is so tough. And it gets stuck in my teeth.
Different kind of ribs too.
Different cooking skills. It could be the same kind of ribs that you put on the grill. But when they cook it, it gets stuck all in your teeth. It don't be right.
You know those beef ribs like that, there's just no getting them soft. No matter what you do.
Talking about a slab, a regular like pork flat, like
spare or baby back. Baby back is the best.
I'm telling you, that I done had people.
I done had some tough ribs too. I done had a rib and took
And
a
it
bite
was
off
not
of
good.
it and I laid it back on the plate. It's like it was good. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's real good.
How you think my face would have been?
It's really good. Oh, you liked it? Oh, yeah, it's real good. You want some more? No, I don't want no more. I'm full.
How you think I would have been if they would have asked me? This is the true me. Give me something and I don't like it. I do not do that.
You do spit it out.
Not like that. Not like you did.
Same difference.
It's not. I ain't eating them now
Same
like.
difference.
I don't do it in a way to hurt their feelings. But at the end of the day, if I don't like it and I think it's gonna make me sick, I ain't eating it. Oh, if it smell. I can't eat stink stuff.
No. You eat tuna fish?
Tuna fish don't stink. It smell like tuna fish.
It smell like fish. Fish stinks.
I like fish.
Raw fish stinks.
That's the only raw fish I eat is shrimp. I mean, it's tuna fish.
You don't eat sushi?
Sushi don't stink. And I don't eat raw sushi.
It's nasty. I don't like it.
You haven't had the right sushi.
I ate that one when you was working, and I ate that one before with the cooked shrimp in it.
Baby, that was a long time ago.
The only time I'm gonna even eat sushi. That's it. You left meat in it. It's meat. Look. No, look, seriously, look.
I seriously see it. They got some in that one too.
Wasting good food.
What, eat that rib?
Nah. I say you wasting good food.
You about to eat some pizza, huh?
No. No, I'm actually full. I ain't eating much, but I'm actually full.
You asked the kids what they wanted to eat tonight.
Actually thirsty.
The kids wanted pizza. You got tea right now.
Not that kind of thirsty. The other kind of thirsty. Orange juice thirsty. Y'all, my team playing tomorrow. Who That's will be on tomorrow.
Your team is not playing tomorrow.
Oh, well, they not. I forgot, y'all. Man, I don't know. Well, I'll just leave that conversation. I'll just say who that. Hopefully, by the time this post, we won. Hopefully, y'all. Don't laugh at me. I keep forgetting, though.
This is Saturday. This video may post Thursday.
Oh, wow. Well, yeah, I'll just...
Because we're uploading tomorrow. We're doing a live tomorrow. I'm not uploading Monday. And Tuesday, my yaki meat going up. I'm not uploading Wednesday. And then Thursday, this gonna go up.
Oh. Well, y'all disregard that about me. Because I don't know what the results will be, so we're going to disregard that comment.
The results gonna be who that? We gonna win.
I sure hope so. It's kind of early to be going.
We gonna win. We gonna win by 7. We going by 7, y'all.
I hope you're right.
If we lose, I'm gonna take a shot.
A shot of what?
Some of them nasty drinks you got.
You're not gonna drink nothing I drink.
If we lose the game Sunday, which is the 10th, right, today at night?
I don't know.
If the Saints lose the game on the 10th, I'm gonna take a shot of his Ciroc.
We should put that in there, y'all. 'Cause this is something, it ain't gonna happen. I'm telling you, she would not take a shot of that.
I'm gonna take a shot on camera for y'all. Watch.
She's not gonna take it, y'all.
I'm gonna take you.
And if we win, I'm gonna take 2 shots.
Bet. I'm gonna get some shot glasses.
I don't need you. Just put it in a cup. Just whatever you think a shot is, I'll drink it.
No, because I'm not drinking whatever you think a shot is.
Oh no, a shot ain't nothing. That's a little bit, but you ain't gonna take it. So that's what you're gonna be doing when you take a shot, right there. That's exactly what's gonna happen.
Shut up! Shit. Stop it!
Y'all remember the eat your veggies video? Look familiar, huh? Well, y'all.
Oh, no, that damn left.
Y'all, we got about a minute or 2 left before she cut it, y'all. Oh, it's over.
Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.